Let's see. Que carro meu? so I have here the 2 discs for tapping all these holes, and I'm going to tap it with this drill. I hooked up the VFD so I can regulate the speed and reverse the direction, because all this machinery here runs on 3-phase with the capacitor trick to run on 1-phase power from the house. So no, it should. Then the other way. After testing for a bit, the green is missing. Well, I think I found the problem. Probably you can see it now if I grab the caliper. These two marks, this one and that one, should line up. Obviously I did those by hand as close as possible, but let's see if they line up now. The caliper is I'm using the caliper as a square. Let's see. Now, yeah, the marks are off. Let's fix it. I'm back from the lathe with the new axle, which is a bit longer on the shoulders. And here's the plastic spacer that I used on this one, so I will swap it now. Okay, so you may wonder why are some pieces missing here. Basically due to my bad design. This is the piece that goes on top, but there's so little material that with the force of the nut and then falls off. I replaced some of them, and basically you can see here that this goes on top like so. but hopefully it will hold up to the tests. Okay, everything is connected now. Let's see. It doesn't vibrate like before. Now with the new axles, these spacers were throwing everything off. So now look at it. Look at this rotor, for example. Let's see now. Let's see. Okay, everything works now. Don't worry, the motor is fine. I only shorted these alligator clips. So there you have it. I assembled the bottom casing. I had to add these washers in here to accommodate the new length of the axle, of the middle axle that joins the two rotors, and also because the screws on this rotor on this side were scratching the bottom of this casing, so not a big deal, but at least now when I spin it with my hand, nothing rubs or scratches anything, so that's a good sign. I wanted to stick with this design with the version 3 with the two rotors, but I printed two more of these stators and I messed up the winding pattern. I also ran out of wire in the middle of the last phase, so that screwed me up a bit. So I decided to start over from zero and came up with this design to accommodate the dual rotor design and also the Hall sensor. By the way, don't ask me how much torque or power it produces because short answer, I don't know. I just built it to see if was going to work the dual rotor with the Hall sensors, and yes it did. So next version will be sizing the coils, the wire, and possibly make it smaller and more or less knowing and what power we can expect from it. I'm also building a dyno, so I think I will finish it soon and we will throw this at the bench to see some numbers. So this is the coil from version 4, and I also almost finished the design of version 5, and this will be probably the coil, one of the coils of version 5. So we will see how it turns out. So as I already said that I almost finished the design of version 5 and probably this will be the one of the coils of version 5, but I'm going to take a break for a while because I have also other projects that I want to film and upload to the channel. But otherwise I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one.